And yeah, it's really a cute place. To be quite frank, I'm very scared for my life, but I know Timmy's got me, and Timmy's like my regular therapist. And yeah, I'm so excited, Nah, I just thought I'm lazy. Say hi, Timmy.
Hello.
This is Timmy. This is our older sister, it's not our therapist.
I didn't see that you with my hair. Yeah.
Hi, Timmy. Imagine getting weird stuff.
Yeah, I'm to get you weak.
Siapana.
Yeah, just look alike, eh?
Let me see, keep on my water. This feels so nice. Yo, I always do it myself. It feels so nice. It's morning onions. Reporting live from Mercedes. And it's really cool. Mercedes, Mercedes. Because why not? Anyway, I haven't even greeted. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll explain what this is as soon as I'm in the car. But right now I am at Mercedes to come collect the car. And then I'm gonna go to the mall and try to be a productive hand. And I'm starving. Yo, let me go get some coffee. I really need to get a tripod because what is this life? What is this life? Anyway, so much for waiting for the call because it's like literally right out there. And I just ordered food in there. Anyway, okay, to explain, because I've never vlogged in public like this. But anyway, so this vlog, this vlog, as you may have seen, is a birthday vlog. Well, it's a maintenance vlog, but in preps for my birthday since it's Aries season and it's April. I'm so excited and I'm actually going on a trip for my birthday. So I'm just prepping for that. As you may have seen, I was just the waxing because lady might even wax me with, you know what I mean. And my experience in waxing is it's like a 4 out of 10 in terms of pain, but you get used to it and it definitely gets better over time. And yeah, I'm gonna go look for an outfit at the mall for my actual birthday. And then I guess this is also gonna be a pack with me. Yeah. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah, I also did my eyebrows. Like, okay, birthday girly, let's go. I am literally so stressed because I was shangani, guys. Like, I literally can't find. I gotta find something at YDE, but like I can't find it. Like I can't find anything cute. Like all the clothes, they look like you're going to the disco or something. And it's not. And as much as I want a dress for my birthday dinner. Oh, okay. I was supposed to try this Bella Vita store. Let me go and challenge. See. I am the most tired and defeated man so far. Hi guys, so the end of yesterday's part of the vlog was very rocky. I won't lie, emotions were very high, and that's because I couldn't find an outfit for my birthday, but I finally found one. It's just a short dress. It's like a wrap-up, kind of like swimsuit vibes, and then it shows some décolleté, shorts, a little open back vibe. It's cute, it's simple, but it's cute. And yeah, I got it this afternoon. It's a boutique by my house. Anyway, then I went to the mall again to go get a few more things. I got like a new pair of shoes. My nails are so ghetto, but like we're still within this maintenance. And then I got like an outfit from Cotton On Body, and I got a few makeup things. I'm actually gonna start packing now because like let me just get it out the way, like the things I want, also so that I don't wear the things that I want to wear in Cape Town, because it's so cold here, and it's also gonna be cold in Cape Town, so I don't want to wear the things that I'm gonna wear there here. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I need a toiletry bag. I also don't know where I'm gonna pick my makeup, to be quite honest, but anyway. Okay, that's a bit better. My hair is messy, guys, but anyway, I've taken out a few clothes that I feel like, yes, I've taken out pajamas, a few hoodies and sweaters / jumpers and whatever. I'm thinking of taking a onesie because Cape Town is going to be cold next week, and I really do not want to suffer. I really do not want to suffer. Like, there's no need for me to be cute even in my sleep. No ways. I am going to be cute in a onesie, but yeah, so I think I'm going to take a onesie and 2 sets of summer pajamas, or summer pajamas and lounge wear. That seems to make a little more sense. But I'm really more focused on also getting a lot of hoodies and jumpers, just so that I always have something to throw on. I'm gonna take like 2 coats, no 3, I lie, 3. But maybe that means I won't need to have so many like hoodies. But also coats are very heavy, and if I'm gonna be out the house, I don't want to be carrying coats. But anyway, and the luggage space that I have is quite huge. This is quite a big bag. So yeah, a lot of the things that I'll need to fit will fit. To be quite honest, I also use this bag to travel for 3 days, but that's nobody's business.